Hi, this is Rachelle at Scrapcraftastic, and I'm back to work in my PR and social media planner. I have already started the process of setting up for the month of October 2022. So I know there's a glare on this page. This is my title page or intro page setup. So I went ahead and I used stickers from Cella Creates. I also went ahead and put on the October tab and add a little washi tape here and there. So I am going to actually set these pages up. I don't ordinarily do the 2-dot grid pages in the front of this insert. And by the way, this insert is a printable dated insert. This is the vertical version. It also comes in horizontal. This printable is available to Scrapcraftastic patron elites. So if you would like to print this, I know we're already into the month of October, but it is available to patron elites. And at the beginning, you have a title page and then 2-dot grid pages that you can use for whatever purpose you choose. Then you have the monthly pages here, and then you get into the weeklies and then your back title page. So, okay. I'm going to be working on the 2-dot grid pages. Let's see, I need some room here. So I think I'm going to go ahead and continue with the same theme as this. Let it go on into the inside. But I'm just going to change things up a little bit. Let's go ahead and use the green first. Okay, before I put anything there, I'm going to decide what stickers I want to use. I think I'm going to go with her. And I guess I can go ahead and put some washi tape up at the top here. Okay, I'm going to stop right there with those. And I think I'm going to pull out my boxes again. Let's see what boxes I can use. I have the ones, basic boxes from this year, but I'm going to use some from last year since I have so much of the green. Ooh, I've already used the big ones. So I'm going to do a goals checklist here. And let's get out a sticker for that. And I'm going to put this down here, turn it on the side. Or maybe I should wait. Let's see. I guess I can go ahead and use the big box for notes. A notes section over here. Let's pull this back out. And the note sticker. These are also available to Scrapcraftastic patrons as well. The script stickers. Let's see, do I have an October? Let's use this October. I'm going to use this as a notes section. I feel like I'm missing a little something here. All right, let's put the cat on top of the box. So let's prop the kitty right there. And I'm kind of mixing and matching a little bit here. I'm going to use one of the bats from this other sheet right here. All right, so I think that is good. Do I want to use this other spider web? I need more spider webs. Or maybe I'll use the brown girl. I was trying to move her up a little bit. All right, let's put a little bit of the bat washi on here. This is also from Simply Gilded. Now let's prop her up on the washi tape. That's better. Then her hair is not right on the edge of that box. That makes sense. And let's do another piece down here. Okay, so I think that is everything I want to put on here. So I'm going to go ahead and pop that back in. See what we got. So this is my October goals page and notes pages. I try to leave it as open as possible to give me plenty of room to write if I need to. All of the stickers are from Cello Creates. The washi tape is from Simply Gilded and the glitter is from Scotch brand. The inserts, of course, are available to Scrapcraftastic Patron Elites as well as the script stickers. So that is my goals page set up. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you may be interested in these other videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.